Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming what matters. Your iPhone runs the latest iOS, wallet is enabled, and your Maybank card is eligible. Open the Maybank app to confirm your account and phone number. Once done, switch to wallet. Tap the plus icon and choose card. You do this now because verification often ties to the bank app and your registered phone number. Make sure to have your card and ID nearby. This speeds up verification and prevents delays when the bank asks for confirmation. Now add the Maybank card inside Wallet. Scan the card or type the number manually, then enter the expiry and CVV. Once you submit, Wallet sends the details to Maybank for verification. That step links the card to your bank profile. You may be prompted to choose card nickname or set it as default. Do that if you plan to use it often. When Maybank sends an OTP or shows an in-app approval, complete it immediately to finalize provisioning and enable contactless payments. To finish, make a small contactless purchase or /bin/sh authorization to confirm Apple Pay works. This validates NFC and authorization. Once successful, set the Maybank card as default if desired and review transaction notifications. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to update both iOS and the Maybank app, restart your phone, then retry verification. If verification still fails, contact Maybank support with the transaction reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.